Guys, I have shared with you my entire week's workout. And today is the last day of my workout for the week. It's a Friday, and on Friday I do my shoulder workout. Now, after the shoulder workout, it is suggested that your shoulders need more days of rest after the workout to prevent injuries. And I have noticed that most of the people who go to the gym suffer from shoulder injuries and pain. And that is because shoulders can easily get injured if not given proper rest. So let's see how many days of rest I get once I complete my shoulder workout. So I do the shoulder workout on a Friday, and Saturday is my no workout day. So on Saturday I get complete rest. On Sunday also I get complete rest. And on Monday I do my legs workout. You guys know that. And for legs workout, the shoulder is not used that much, so I will consider that also a rest day. And Tuesdays I'll do my biceps and then the back and then the chest, and all those workout to use lots of shoulders. So I get 3 days of good rest for the shoulders after I do my shoulder workout, which I think is good enough. Now comes the next thing, why we should work out for the shoulders. Guys, shoulders are used basically everywhere. For lifting bags, pushing doors, even combing hair. It's a very important muscle, guys. It is even used for swimming, tennis, badminton, cricket, and the list can go on and on, guys. And if you are a sports person, you need to keep your shoulders fit and in shape. They also adapt to your posture. Now, rounded shoulders is a bad posture. You guys know that. When you have rounded shoulders, your shoulders are something like this. And look at my posture, guys. If I'm standing like this, does this look good? But when you exercise and when you keep your shoulders in proper shape, they become like this, and you tend to look taller, more confident, and handsome, of course. So let's not forget about the visual benefits as well. A well-developed shoulder can create an illusion of a narrow waist, giving you the desirable V-taper physique. So in this video, I will share with you guys my shoulder workout. The workout that I do to keep my shoulders fit and in good shape. So come on, let's go to my home gym. Today is the last day of the workout, and it is shoulder workout, and never miss a shoulder workout. So I start with seated overhead alternate dumbbell shoulder press. I do 8 reps and 3 sets of this. And then I move on to close grip forward barbell press. And I do 3 sets of these as well. And once I'm done with that, I move on to wide grip military press. I do 3 sets of this. In between the sets, see that you increase the weights. Once I'm done with that, I move on to barbell upright rows. Now this I do a superset of 3 exercises. So once I'm done with the upright rows, I quickly move on and do dumbbell raises like this. I do 8 reps of all the exercises. And once I'm done with this, immediately, without wasting any time, I do the dumbbell shrugs. So 3 types of exercises and 8 reps of each exercise. Like this, I do 3 sets. And once I finish the 3 sets, I do another superset, which is I start with a wide grip barbell bent over row. I do 8 reps of this. Then I quickly go on and do the slide bend dumbbell raises. This is for the deltoid. And once I'm done with this, immediately, without wasting any time, I do the bent over reverse fly. I do 8 reps of this as well. So 3 exercises and 8 reps each. I do 3 sets of this. And once I'm done with the 3 sets, I'm done with today's shoulder exercise. And now for the 2 days of good rest. So when you are exercising in an open environment like this, I'll show you the best part, guys. I'll show you the best part. And look at this. It is raining so heavily and so much of fresh air, and I can do my exercises in peace. So if you like this site, then see that you comment below and let me know. It's truly amazing, guys. Truly amazing. So if you found this video useful, see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out. Until we meet again.